How to grow your renovation company. A common challenge most construction renovation companies face is that they can't find quality employees and effective ways to scale their business and get more clients. If you are also in the construction industry and worried because your company's growth has plateaued, then don't worry, because that's where interimceo4you.com steps in. We help construction companies to achieve their full potential. We help you take control through our end-to-end coaching for business owners and startups. We have successfully scaled over 1,000 companies under $2 million to $20 million, and your business could be next. We will redesign your business blueprint, branding and kick-ass differentiation, aggressive marketing system, etc. to get you to $5 to $20 million 5 to 10 years sooner. We have done this over 1,000 times in our 40-year career. Great branding and differentiation are about using proven science and subliminal messaging in your client's subconscious mind to build trusted relationships. $5 million business in a box. Click the link below to schedule a meeting. You will be blown away. We promise.